In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived workflows in n8n. Whether you're using n8n Cloud or a self-hosted instance, accessing archived workflows is straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step of the process. To get started, you need to log into your n8n Cloud workspace or your self-hosted n8n instance. This is your gateway to managing the various workflows that you have, including those you might have archived in the past. Once you are logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your workflow needs. Now let's move on and locate the Workflows page. From the left sidebar, you'll see a list of options that help keep everything organized. Click on the Workflows option. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the workflows that you've created or have access to. At first glance, you'll likely only see active workflows listed here. But don't worry, I'll show you how to reveal the ones that are archived. Next up, you'll need to open the Filter menu. This is a particularly handy tool that allows you to sort and organize your workflows more efficiently. To access the Filter menu, look for the filter or funnel icon, which is located near the top right corner of the Workflows list. It's quite intuitive and easy to spot. Now the next step is crucial to accessing your archived workflows. Within the Filter menu, there's an option labeled Show Archived Workflows. You'll want to make sure you turn this option on. It's like flipping a switch that refreshes your workflow list to include both active and archived items. Once activated, you'll now see additional entries in your workflows list. With the archived workflows visible, identifying them becomes simple. These workflows are marked distinctly with an archived label or status. This visual cue makes it easy to distinguish them from the active workflows you currently have running. Take a moment to scan through the list. You'll note how the archived label helps them stand out. To take a closer look at any of the archived workflows, just click on the one you're interested in. This opens a detailed view of the particular workflow. In this detailed view, look for a three-dot menu, often called an overflow menu. It's usually your go-to for additional options. From this menu, you have a couple of important actions at your disposal. If you wish to bring a workflow back to life, select the unarchive option, restoring it to your active list seamlessly. Alternatively, if you decide that you no longer need a particular workflow, you can opt to delete it. Remember, this action will permanently remove it, so use it with caution. And there you have it, a full walkthrough on how to find archived workflows in n8n. With this knowledge, you can manage and organize your workflows with greater flexibility and ease. Thanks for watching.